the OnePlus 11 5G flagship phone was revealed in China by OnePlus. The company started getting pre-orders shortly after the OnePlus 11 was unveiled. On January 9th, there will be the first sale of the OnePlus 11 in the housing sector. The OnePlus 11's market response was announced by OnePlus China President Li Jie on Weibo, shortly after the device became available for pre-orders. The OnePlus 11 allegedly set the fastest pre-sales record in OnePlus history in just 2 hours, according to Li Jie. He thanked everyone for their assistance and appreciation of the OnePlus 11. He continued by saying that this strengthens their conviction that, as long as they produce the product well, users will support them more. A 6.7-inch Samsung LTPO 3.0 AMOLED QHD Plus with 1440 by 3216 pixels display is available on the OnePlus 11. It keeps providing a 20.1 by 9 aspect ratio screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display has a maximum brightness of 1300 nits and is shielded by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. It is equipped with the 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, the newest flagship chipset from Qualcomm, as well as 12GB and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage is included. You receive a triple rear camera configuration with the Hasselblad partnership for optics. The Sony IMX890 primary sensor, which supports optical image stabilization, serves as its focal point. A 48MP ultra-wide-angle sensor and a 32MP portrait sensor are included with the camera. Unfortunately, there isn't a telephoto lens specifically designed for optical zoom. There is a 16MP selfie camera on the front. A 5000 mAh dual-cell battery within the OnePlus 11 allows for 100W quick charging. Given that the OnePlus 10T supported 150W fast charging, this is a little uncommon. But if a OnePlus 11 Pro is in development, I anticipate it to include faster fast charging and a telephoto lens to distinguish itself from the OnePlus 11. Android 13 is the operating system that powers the OnePlus 11 in China. It is based on ColorOS 13. Its global release on February 7th will run Oxygen OS 13, an Android 13-based operating system. 3 configurations of the OnePlus 11 are now available in China. 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, or 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Price of $580, $638, and $711, respectively. It is available in black and green colors. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.